Because the college district wants to make sure that the course is an active, flowing course rather than a correspondence course, modules open at different times. Below this tutorial, you will see a chart that shows you when modules open throughout the semester. Remember, some assignments take longer. Essay 2, for example, takes quite a bit of time to complete, and I want to make sure that you are allowed ample time to work on that essay. Also, throughout the Essay 2 process, you may want to meet with me on a Zoom meeting to go over your topic and how you're developing the topic. Essay 3, the final essay, takes quite a bit of time as well, since that will be your second masterpiece of the season. So I want to show you all the modules now, and then below you'll see the chart of when those actually open. But for right now, let's just take a look at the whole thing. When you log into the course, you will see two dashboards. On the far left is your account, where you can add photos, videos, whatever you like to your file in your account. There's a nice little tab there that says upload, and you would upload any photos you wanted to submit to a discussion board or whatever. This is your dashboard. These are your courses, and this is the due date calendar that you'll want to refer to. This is the inbox where you can email me, and that will make sure that I receive that because it will be in the format with the school's email address. You understand the problems with email these days, so that's how that'll work. Under the Help tab, you will find two phone numbers for Canvas support. If you have any questions about technical issues, you would want to call these folks, since I can't help you with anything that has to do with tech support. So if you have trouble uploading a file or you're having some trouble in any ways like that, then you would want to call the help desk. These folks, which are evenings and weekends, they're also 24/7. They're wonderful, and those are the actual Canvas folks, and they will be able to help you as well. So those are your two numbers for help. Let's take a look at the modules. These are the modules. There are your discussions. There's your grade. Here's a link to NetTutor. There are also a number of available programs through the library and such. Let's go over to modules. These are the first assignment modules, where you have a Start Here menu that will give you an overview and a couple of discussion boards to just say hey and make sure that you let everybody know who you are, and particularly your Cyber Cafe group, which is your small group that you'll be doing most of your posting with throughout the semester. There aren't a lot of posts, but they are important. More information about the classroom and some initial information there. And now we continue Module 1 with some study documents. So Module 1's a lot of getting used to the course, getting acclimated, and so forth. And after you've read all of those modules, there's a little scavenger hunt quiz right here that's just 10 questions, just to make sure that you've been able to see everything and that you've watched all the tutorials on the home page and so forth. Next, in Module 2, there are basic writing skills, and you'll be able to see the dates that those are due here as well as in the calendar on your left menu bar. These are all fun, and they are designed to help refresh your memory about sentence structure and so forth. Next, we have Flash Fiction, followed by essay number 1, which is Birthday Babies. That's a short essay that will help brush up those essay writing skills. I have tutorials that take you step by step through every process. Next is Poetry. What is poetry doing here? Well, you'll be surprised at how much an introduction to poetry will make a difference in your writing style, whether you're writing an expository essay or a narrative essay. Poetry, there's not a lot to this particular module. I don't ask you to memorize iambic pentameter or anything like that, but it is, you'll see that it will benefit your writing style. Then is film study. You'll be watching films and doing a little analysis of those films. Anything you choose. I don't care. If you're interested in a documentary, I'm interested in it too. If you like a short narrative film or episodic pilot, remember you would want to watch the pilot episode or a short narrative film. If you're interested in it, so am I. Then we have this little tutorial that's open from the beginning of the semester, which gives you your options for essay number 2, which is a major project, and I've allowed plenty of time for you to research and write this essay. This is the first of those essays, which is the dinner party option, and when the time comes, all of these pages in the module will be open. That consists of you're going to lock your topic there so that other people don't copy you. And then you will have a proposal. There's a template in there. You simply fill out the template, and then you would submit that final essay here if you choose that option. The second option is the hero archetype essay. And there's an overview there, of course, step-by-step instructions, a proposal also. You want to lock down your character there also so nobody else uses your character. There's a list of, I think, 300 or 400 characters for you to choose from. And then the place where you submit it. Obviously, you're only going to submit essay 2 in one place, depending on which option you choose. And then is your final essay, which is a creative writing project. I believe that an overview of writing skills and critical thinking and understanding has just as much to do with creative narrative writing as it does with expository. If all you ever learn how to do is write a research paper, then I don't see that you've got a well-rounded, opportunity to explore your brilliance, which is my job. And that's it, folks. That's the end of the course. And as again, you will see below this video, a chart that shows you when modules open. And then you'll be able to see the full content of the margins at that time. We're off to a great start, and I look forward to taking this journey with you. We're going to have lots of fun. That concludes this navigation tutorial.